Okay, so for this one, why did the cow want a divorce? For those of you guys who are Googling this and came upon this, I changed this one to suit my class. Okay, I just wanted to focus on special cases. So this is not what you ordinarily would find on the algebra with pizzazz. Okay, so the first one, y equals -2. Um, to graph this, I want you to realize that there is only a y in the equation. There is no x. So this line never touches the x-axis. It's going to be parallel to the x-axis. It's going to hit the y at -2. Right? It's going to hit the y at -2, and it's going to be parallel to the x-axis. So that line looks like that. Goes through F. In number 2, notice there is no y in the equation. This line is going to be parallel to the y. It's never going to touch the y. Right? There's no y in the equation. It's going to hit the x at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to hit the x at 4, and it's going to be parallel to the y. The line x equals 4. All right. This is a undefined slope. This is a slope of 0. Okay. We'll do one more like this. Number 3. Y equals 1. There is no x in the equation. That means it will be parallel to the x. It's never going to touch the x. It's going to hit the y at +1 and be parallel to the x. In number 5, number 5 and number 8. This one, there is an x and the y. Okay, so that means that whatever the coefficient of x is, that's the slope. The slope is always multiplied to the x. There is no y-intercept. There is no constant. So that means the y-intercept is 0. Equation, you start at 0 is negative. That means the top number, the numerator, you go down. So down 2, write 1. Down 2, write 1. You're going to connect it. Finish it off to the other side. Up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1. Okay. Last one I want to do, this is number 8, y equals x. So this one has a y and an x, so it's not going to be a vertical or horizontal line, just as in number 5. Okay, so the coefficient of x here is 1, right? It's not a fraction, so we're going to put 1 over 1. There is no constant, so that means the constant is +0. So we're going to start here at the origin. The slope is 1, positive, so the top number is positive, so you go up 1. The bottom number, you always go right. Up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. Okay, so that line looks like that for y equals x. And then you just finish it off to the left, down 1, left 1. Okay. On the other side, the only thing you want to do here, I'm going to start off with number 11. All right, the x-intercept, remember, just means where the line touches the x-axis. The y-intercept just means where the line touches the y-axis. So it looks here, the x-intercept is 2. The coordinate for that is the x has to be 2, 2, 0. The y-intercept is where the line touches the y-axis. It touches it at -5. So the y-intercept is -5. The coordinate, since it's the y-intercept, the -5 has to be the y. Okay. In number 10, look at number 10. The x-intercept, so where does the line touch the x-axis? It doesn't, so there is no x-intercept. The y-intercept, where does the line touch the y-axis? It touches at 4. So it touches the y-axis at 4. The 4 is the y-coordinate, so the x-coordinate is 0. In number 12, the x-intercept is 3. The coordinate, the x is 3, the y is 0. Y-intercept is -3. So that means the y-coordinate is the -3. And one last one together, number 13. The x-intercept here is 2. The coordinate, the 2 has to be the x. The y-intercept is -2. So that means the y-coordinate is -2.